Let's explore how much it costs to place articles on required websites. With our platform, it takes just a few minutes. Today we'll cover 3 simple ways to check the pricing, from single website check to advanced work with large lists to applying big amounts of filters. Let's head to our profile. In the system, if you don't have a profile, create one. It's easy. Head to our website, click on the sign up button, and you're all locked and loaded for success. First thing first, singular website check. In a search box at the top, let's enter a link. You can copy paste it here. In our case, it will be msn.com, and click enter or search. It will provide you with analytics, details such as domain rating, domains, backlinks, traffic, authority, trust. At the top, at the bottom, we'll have media sellers and their prices for this particular publication. Make a choice, click on that media seller and place an order. Super simple. Second thing is by using lists. So if we click this blue button, use bulk search, we can copy paste a list of websites. We can get this list by researching our competition, analyzing new markets, researching new locations for expansion. You can use tools such as Ahrefs, just copy paste the link to that particular website. And it will give you a list like this. This is the sheet. Let's copy a few of these websites and paste them into the box. We'll click check. What the system is doing now is cross-referencing our more than 300,000 media outlets with this particular list to see what we have available for publications. So now we have six available media outlets. We can check the analytics on the right-hand side. Again, domain ratings, trust levels, authorities, traffic. And we can click on view prices. Let's say we like this publication. We can compare prices from different media sellers and make our choice. Place an order over there. Just click and place an order. Of course, this list is exportable. You can save it for later use. You can sort it by bunch of criteria, backlinks, domains, authorities, traffic. It's all possible. Third way is advanced filters. So in our profile, we have these projects. Let's click on one of these projects. You can create a new one, fairly simple, just click create project. And we'll apply a few filters. So let's click create filter. We can apply a few, let's say countries. We'll choose United States. And let's say Canada. Those two. In the categories, which are industries, let's put finance. Let's add a couple more. Domain rating has to be higher than 60, and price shall be no more than $1,000 per publication. So let's save the filters and see what we have available. 147 precisely perfect websites for our parameters. Great. Same thing. On the right-hand side, we have analytics, statistics for that particular media outlet. Let's view prices now. We have many media sellers in here. We can review them, click on one of them, and place an order. Easy. Of course, we can export this list for later use, perhaps to make a presentation for the board of executives, for the whole team. We can sort it. All of this is possible. This is how the system works. If you have questions, book a demonstration with us. At the bottom right corner, we have this blue, beautiful button, book demo. Pick the time, date. I'll be more than happy to meet you, explain you how it all works. Perhaps advise you on strategy. We've been doing marketing for over 20 years. Write us an email. We reply very fast, even on weekend. We do marketing, we write articles, we have outreach, everything from link building to professional public relation campaigns. We're always here for you. Your success means the whole world to us. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now.